Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video we're going to replace the ignition lock cylinder and key on this 97 Intrepid. The only tools you'll need are T30 and T15 Torx drivers, and if you replace this you will need to keep the new key that comes with the ignition lock cylinder as well as your old key to work the doors. 10mm wrench, and disconnect your negative battery cable. Okay, to remove this, first thing, T30 Torx bit, and up underneath here there's a screw to remove the tilt lever. Okay, up and underneath, okay, there's, you can see two T15 screws there, another one there, there's one way up in that hole there, way up in that hole there, and then way up in that hole there. Okay, even with the tilt lever gone, you can kind of reach in here with your finger and pull and still tilt. Make sure it's tilted all the way up. Okay, and we'll fast forward as I just remove those 6 T15 Torx screws, and you can see the silver ones that are at the bottom are shorter, and the ones you have to reach up into the holes or the cavities are longer screws. Okay, now the bottom one you kind of pull down and out, okay, and over the key cylinder, reach in, pull this down, and this one comes up and out. And once you have all the trim off, you go right underneath the lock cylinder here, and there's a little square button right there. Okay, so you put the key in. You want to turn it to the run position. Okay, feel for that button. Push it up with your Torx driver. Pull it right out. Okay. New lock from 1A Auto. Just want to make sure this O-ring kind of slid down. O-ring belongs right in that groove right there. Make sure you have your button down. Okay, so close it down. Here we place our top panel down in first. Back up. So bottom panel in. We're going to start the small bottom screws first. Not going to make you watch me put all those screws in real time. We'll fast forward it here. You start the bottom screws, leave them kind of loose so you can move things around a little bit, get the top in place, start those 3 longer screws, and then once you have them all started, then go back around and tighten them up, and you tighten them. They need to be tightened lightly. You want to make sure you don't strip any of the plastic or anything like that. Okay, and then once you're done that, then put the tilt lever back on and reconnect your battery. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.